Mission of Industrial FDM: producing end-use parts, core requirements notes, process stability, path planning, repeatable settings, material portfolio, fiber reinforcement, composites, high temp, polymers, precision mechanics, linear motors. Rigid gantry, batch management, QC, closed loop data. BlastX Agile manufacturing platform consists of linear motors, rigid gantry, deliver high speed, large format composite, printing up to 1560 m. BlastMate CF girlfriend reinforced materials like PAHT CF, PPS-CF and others offer high strength, heat chemical resistance, optimized for serial production. From printer to agile manufacturing platform, A+PLUS delivers a closed-loop ecosystem design, process, materials, and QC, enabling repeatable, traceable scaling from first article to full production. The value of industrial FDM lies not in flashy specs, but in manufacturing capability. Amid the consumer-grade boom, A+PLUS doubles down on high performance, batch consistency, and closed-loop control, bringing FDM to the heart of the digital factory.